Hey guys and girls, what's up? Always do that. Clear my throat. Right, no, I shouldn't have been. Right. Why'd we hit 185? So Benjamin Cohen brought out a video yesterday. I actually did one the day before, if you look in my history, that showed exactly what he said. So I know I'm on the right track. So I'm happy that Benjamin will get props for this, even though I found it first. But probably not. He's been on this. He's a bloody genius. Anyway, so here we go. So look at this date, 27th of Feb. We hit a high of $1.49, and that became resistance. Okay, and we bounced down. Here again, we bounced off. Again, this one bounced off. Fourth time, hit it, pumped up, bounced back down off it, and then pumped up. Now we've clearly 149 is now support. So if you can get anything near $1.50, buy ADA. That's what I would recommend. Now, why did we stop at 185 or 183 or whatever you want to call it? So we go to our BTC pairing, and it becomes very obvious, very clear. That date where we hit 149 was right here, 27th of Feb. Right here. And there it is, 31.98 Satoshi. Then we come back to the last high we just hit, and oh, what a coincidence that it hit the exact same Satoshi line. There's our resistance again. So we have two resistance points. We have the BTC pairing resistance point, and now the resistance point now is the support line here of the 149. Okay, it takes a while for this phone, I don't know why. So that's 10 plus, it should go straight on. But we have this 149 here, which is now support. It's been, a week, and we've stayed above. So I would say we're on support now. When we did come down, touch it, and we've bounced back off. So we're on support now. So we can clearly say we finally hit that spot. I don't think we're going under it again. There could be easily a massive dump. But even if we dumped from there to there, it's like that'll be like what, 15%. Yeah, of course we might get back down to $1. If I ever see ADA at $1, I will be selling all my stock, selling all my coins, and I'll be just buying ADA, nothing else, because I can see the potential, and I'll show you right now why. Last cycle, 2017, okay? I did all this in my last video, but no one watched it. No one will watch this one either. But anyway, 87.91, okay, on the BTC right here, and that was on. Well, it doesn't really matter the date. We can go back and check, but it was the 4th of January. That's the highest we've been against BTC. Now, if we look here at the percentage rise, it's 179%. I think it's actually more. Don't want to waste time doing this, but so here's where we are now. In the bar, so it's 185%. So if Bitcoin does not move, that means if it stays at 50, whatever it is now, $56,000. If Bitcoin stays $56,000, and we put that 185% profit in up here. I think I've already done it. I'll just wait again and see if it does it. No, okay. Let's just put it. Oh, there it is. See, does this fucking time. Sorry for the swearing, kiddies. So go up. So go to 185. Oh, down a bit, mate. Down a bit. Don't get too anxious. That is 5.18. So I would say round it off to $5.20. There's your ADA. Just if we get our BTC pairing all-time high, if we reach that, we are at $5.20 ADA. Guaranteed. There it is. Like when the people yell to the sky, like when crypto talks about $8 ADA, mate, this is at minimum, I think, because Bitcoin's going to probably double, which means this is going to double. which means we won't be looking at it from $1.70. We'll be looking at it from more like $3.50, and then putting 187% on top of that. So Bitcoin doubles. So Bitcoin doubles to 110,000. So against the BTC pair, and just say we make the all-time high, which is the 88,000 something. That means that we will have over $10 ADA. So 185% on top of, if we just say we double our price now. So Bitcoin doubles, we double with Bitcoin, of course. Maybe even more than double. We will more than double, because we will reach, I 100% believe we will reach our old cycle high, because now we have Alonzo, Gogan, we have smart contracts coming, we have a lot of cross-chaining coming. I know I have a lot of bags. I've got my, I believe in Matic, and I believe in Solana, and I believe in Cosmos, and I believe in a lot of other cross-chains, and Web3s, and a lot of other things. So I've got money in a lot, but most of my money is in this. And this is why. And it's so clear. But you just have to use a Bitcoin pairing to know that this is 100% clear, 100% going to happen. I have no doubts in my mind. If anything, it's going to be higher than this. This was the last high. So 2017, January, that was the high. Like I showed you just before, we've made a resistance point, which has become support, which was that same, right here. It takes so long, I don't know why. I think TradingView just does this. But anyway, this high here, 31.98, was on again the 27th of February, which is again on the 27th of February. We made this high here of $1.49, and that became that green line, which became resistance 3 times, and on the 4th try we broke it, and now it's a support line. So against the USD tether, $1.50, we're going to bounce off that all day long unless we get a massive dump. And against the BTC pairing, we just have to break this. We just have to break this line, this 3200 line, 3190, whatever it is. Yeah, 3198. We just have to break that, and then bounce support off that, and then we're headed to the next one, which is the 42. And I've gone back. These are all highs from 2017, 2018. So don't doubt all this stuff. This has happened. Like I said here, couldn't break it at the 31 here. And then we broke it. Went up to the 40, came back down 2 times, tested, or close enough, or 3 or 4 times after that. Got all the way up. 61 was the bounce, like the dead cat bounce right here. But all-time high was up here, 87.91. So we come down, and then these lines came again, important, very important lines again. So yeah, I just want all you all to understand that we're in a good spot. We're in a really, look at this bounce here. It's 42.17. That's a great spot too. So percentage wise, just there. So say we get to that 42 from here. There's still another 35% on what we have right now. That's, come on man, that's a pretty generous offering. But that's nothing. We're going to get to that 8,000 Satoshis. I really believe it. Really do believe it. Let's just quickly show you what it would be. What was it, 30? Let me make it 30. So we're still looking at $2.50 if we get to our minimal next target. So I'll leave you all with that. So now you know when people call out pricing, now you know sort of why. Because this is how you do it. You need to use price analysis from not just your USD, because USD clearly has a resistance that turns into support. So you need to use both charts. If you don't use both charts, you're not going to succeed in trading. So I'm just giving you that heads up, guys. Learn from these little lessons I'm giving you. So you use the USD pair to find your support and resistance and your trend lines, but your BTC pairing as well. because clearly this is like sticking out like dog's balls. Okay, you hit it, you couldn't do it, hit it, couldn't do it. So there's a chance we could go back down to these levels here, but I don't see it happening. I think this is our next drop here. It could be here at the 25. Could be. Very, very, very slight chance of it happening. More than likely we're going straight up to this next level. 42.17. And then obviously it's up and up and up and up and up and up and up. We go. So from 35% to 117% to that 180%. Oh no, I just messed my one up. Anyway, that's all I got for you. Look into the BTC pairing. Look at the last all-time highs, and then you'll understand why people are calling for $10 ADA. Because if Bitcoin gets to 120 grand, we're gonna hit 10 bucks. So $5 guaranteed. Come on. Or look, like I said, everyone says I'm not a financial advisor. Well, I'm my own financial advisor. You can do what you want with your own money, whatever you want. But I'm telling you, guaranteed $5 ADA. If Bitcoin hits 120, we're going to 10, baby. Guys and girls in between, Alpha people will reign supreme and make lots of fucking money.